On WorldMarkByWyndham.com, registering an online account is fast, simple, and secure. You'll start by sharing a little bit of info to verify that you're a WorldMark owner. First, enter your owner number, with or without the leading zeros. Then fill in your first and last name. Next, provide either your zip code or phone number. Once we've verified your ownership, it's time to set up your online account. Here you'll choose a unique username. Next, enter an email address where we can send your activation link. Check your email for the activation link and follow it to complete your registration. Choose a password that meets the specified requirements. Finally, you'll be asked whether you want to receive authorization codes via phone call, text, or email. An authorization code will only be needed when you log into your account from a new device. This adds an extra layer of security. Enter the authorization code, and that's it. You're ready to go. Head to WorldMarkByWyndham.com and create your new online account today.